Welcome to my performance task about canonical authors in the Philippines. First, Benvenido Lombera Literature 2006. First, Benvenido Lombera is a poet, librettist, and scholar. As a poet, he introduced to Tagalog literature what is now known as Bagay Poetry, a landmark aesthetic tendency that has helped to change the vernacular poetic tradition. He is the author of the following works: Likhang Dila, Likhang Diwa, poems in Filipino and English. 1993, Balaybay, Mga Tulang, Lunot at Manibalang 2002, Sa Sariling Bayan, Apat na Tulang May Musika 2004, Agonia sa Senda Lucita Pakikiramay 2004. As a librettist for the tales of the Manubo and Ramahari, he pioneered the creative fashion of fine arts and popular imagination. As a scholar, his major books include the following: Tagalog Poetry 1570 to 1898, Tradition and Influences in its Development, Philippine Literature, A Story and Ethnology, Revaluation Essay on Philippine Literature, Writing the Nation, Pag-akda ng Bansa. Thank you guys.